Welcome to Morrocco Method, a veteran-owned company where the art of crafting high-quality, all-natural products meets the pride of American craftsmanship. Step into our world as we take you on a journey of beauty, sustainability, and support for local communities. At Morrocco Method, we carefully select the finest ingredients, sourcing many of them from the United States. By doing this, we not only ensure the highest quality, but also support local agriculture and reduce our carbon footprint. Our dedicated team working right here in the USA combines over 50 years of knowledge and traditional wisdom to create products that are both effective and eco-friendly. Crafting our products locally allows us to uphold quality standards. When you choose Morrocco Method, you support ethical labor practices and contribute to the growth of American communities. Our products are crafted with care by skilled workers who enjoy fair wages and safe working environments. It's a testament to our commitment to both your well-being and the well-being of those who make it all possible. Our dedication to crafting products in the USA extends beyond the manufacturing process. It's about creating a positive impact in your life. When you incorporate Morrocco Method into your self-care routine, you experience the benefits firsthand: healthier hair growth, radiant skin, and a sense of pride in supporting products that align with your values. Join us in our commitment to sustainable beauty, local economies, and American craftsmanship. Visit MorroccoMethod.com and experience the difference today.